Hey, what's going on? This is Mark with Justice League of Credit.
Hey everybody, this is Mark with Justice League of Credit. Going into the 2021 period, Justice League of Credit will be making some good changes.
You told me that my scores was fine and this and that, and I'm like, well, I told you that they use different scoring systems. So,
Like and share and subscribe. And my name is Mark with Justice League of Credit. I'm the credit restoration expert, and y'all have a wonderful day. Thank you.
So, I just want to just share a few things, just to get a couple of things that's in my head that I want to share with everyone. So, when we are doing our monthly customers updates, we tend to get customers wondering, like, why it's taking so long, or what's going on with my credit, why my scores are going down a certain way, just things like that. First thing we do is we, of course, investigate your credit file each month. Our team, of course, we will jot down anything that happens on your credit file, and we will, of course, identify key issues. One issue we'll look for is how you've been using your credit cards. If you've been using if you got high credit card balances, that will, of course, decrease your credit score. And one that shows us that either something happened financially and you needed to use your cards, or you just, spending crazy, so we have to get those. No, you have to get those finances under control. We can only guide you on what to do. We can't, make you do something that you don't want to do. Second thing we look for is if you've been making your payments on time. If you've been making late payments each month, that definitely affects your credit score, and that's 35% of your credit score. So if we look on your credit report and we see like missed payments, whether it's on your credit cards or on your current car note or credit card payments or whatever you have that's that reports to the credit bureaus, and you've been late on it, that will affect and drop your credit scores tremendously. Another thing we notice when we look at credit reports and the reason why your scores may decrease is a lot of inquiries. Sometimes when you're in credit restoration, a lot of people will get happy. Oh, my score is going up, and I can go ahead and start running my credit now. It's not as simple as that. If we recommend you to go and do certain things, then it may be okay. But if we haven't given you the go ahead to go get your credit ran and do this and that, and you go to a car dealership or something, and you get like a whole bunch of inquiries on your credit report, hard inquiries is that, and you got like 15, 20, 30 inquiries on your credit report, what you think is going to happen? I mean, seriously, your scores will drop. Another thing that we look for is if, for an example, new collection counts, or you getting so many new accounts to the point to where it's dropping your score more than helping it. So we ask that you be consistent and that you follow our recommendations, because we helped a lot of families either buy homes, get approved for new loans, whether it's for home loans, car loans, or business loans. It's a process. Sometimes it may not take 3, 4, 5 months or 6 months. Sometimes it may take longer. But if you're not following the formula that we are giving you, or following the recommendations by going inside your customer portal, or looking at our videos, or calling, asking us questions, then of course you're going to be deterred and things are going to go left, and we don't want that to go left for you. So all that we ask is you follow our recommendations, and if you have any questions, I don't care if you are a current customer or a new customer, we are here to help you. If you have any questions, you can schedule an appointment during our business hours or business times, of course, and just give us a call. That's what we're here for. We are here to help you. We are here to serve our community, whether you are here in Jacksonville, Florida, or if you in a different state. We are here across the nation. We are here to help you. If you want to even schedule a virtual call to discuss things, call us. Schedule an appointment. I mean, that's what we're here for. My job is to serve. Same thing with everyone that's on our team. We are here to serve. What we mean about that is to serve our community. We're doing this for you. We wake up every day to help you to get to your goals, because we've been there. We have. I know I've been there, especially being out there on the road when I was a truck driver. I mean, my credit was shot. I didn't have that person that I can call to get advice from. I had to learn, and I had to research. I had to do the footwork. But here's the thing, we done the footwork for you. All you got to do is call and ask, and just use the tools that's available to you. That's all I can say. And if you don't want to do your credit yourself, that's what we're here for. We are here to help you. We're not here to deter you from whatever your goal, whatever your motive is. We're not here to deter you from that. We are here to help you. I know I am. Anybody that speaks to me or talk to me, I'm always, I can talk for days. Once I start talking about something, I get passionate about it, because it means a lot to me, because I've been there. I've been through everything imaginable possible. Well, not everything, but far as being in multiple car accidents, taking multiple hits to my body, and just going through personal issues with family, and just I've been there. And I've shared most of that, if not all of that, with you. So please allow us to help you. We are here to bring you in our world. Let us help you. Bring us into your world so we can help you, so we can understand you. If we can understand you, then we know how to make our tactics fit to your situation. Another thing that I see that deters people is sometimes they get sidetracked because of payment, because they can't pay for certain things, for our services. Our services, one, is not that expensive. Two, if you have issues, let us know. We understand. We are not debt collectors. We fight debt collectors. Most people, or most credit restoration companies, I'm not speaking for everybody, but I know some will actually put certain debt, if you don't pay them they will put that on your credit report. I just can't do that. I'm sorry. We are not going to sit there and track nobody down because they don't want to pay. That's just not how we work. If you want the help, then we will help you. If you don't want the help, we are not going to basically sit back and just go after a person that don't want to be helped. But if you want the help, we will, of course, make sure you get back on track. But I don't know why I just started rambling. But again, like I said before, once I start talking, I get passionate about something and I have to see it out. Again, another thing that I want to bring up actually is life insurance. A lot of people hear life insurance and they just like, ugh, I don't want to talk about that. Well, guess what? It's something that we all have to talk about, because for one, life insurance is, it's something that we need to talk about, because every time I look on my timeline, I see a GoFundMe, or hey, can you help me and our family pay for my cousin's funeral expenses? you know, I can't judge no one on their situation, but it's time that you get insured. It's like life insurance is not what it seems. It's there to protect your family in case something like that happens. In case you can't afford to pay for services like that, because be honest with you, funeral expenses, it's expensive. Like, you try to go in and try to get something for like $5,000, man, that ain't happening. The average funeral expenses gonna cost you anywhere between $10,000 or more, probably. I mean, that's just how it is. And especially if you don't want to leave your loved ones with all of your debt when you pass, I think you don't want that for your loved ones. You know, you don't want to be selfish like that. I'm sorry, I don't want to be blunt, but I have to. Another reason why I'm passionate about serving and making sure that my community and that everyone that I see across the nation, or even in Jacksonville or anywhere, it's my job to make sure that you get insured. Because I was on a deathbed, back in February 2021, basically a couple months ago. Like, I was in a hospital bed for 5-6 days. Yeah, 5-6 days, 6 days actually. And I almost lost my life. I mean, it took me a while to actually really think about it. Like, I really didn't think about it until the day after surgery, when it was the night after my surgery, March 2nd. March 2nd. That's when my surgery was. March 2nd. That's when my surgery was. It didn't dawn on me until the infectious disease doctor came in and said that, hey, the spine stimulator that was inside your body, it caused an infection due to the accident that you incurred in it was February, the day before Valentine's Day. Like, I went through almost a week or 2 weeks of standing on my feet for a week and a half to 2 weeks, not being able to lay down, because all this time I'm just thinking that my body was just sore for something, but really I had a bad infection from the device that I had installed in my back in January. Yeah, I had surgery in January too, so yeah, I went through it. But there was multiple times that I could have died, but God wanted me to serve. He said that I had a purpose. My purpose is to make sure that my community, not just my community, but all communities, is protected. Whether it's with financial, with credit, life insurance, or health insurance. And I said it myself, like, on that hospital bed, that when I got out of that hospital, if I make it out alive, I was going to make sure that I will protect either my friends and family, or my community, or across the nation. If all walks of life, I'm going to make sure that someone will get protected with life insurance. This is not a joking matter. It's not. I'm not laughing about it. I'm not joking about it. It's serious, because I've been on that side. I've been on that side where I've been on my deathbed, and it's not pretty. I'm actually getting emotional about it, just talking about it, because I usually don't talk about things, like that, usually with with my spouse or somebody, or my therapist. But I'm sharing this with you because you all mean a lot to me, and I know this video is long, but I need to get this out. But I want to make sure that everybody is protected. So I don't care what y'all do for as, you know, whether y'all bypass this video or any post that I post regarding life insurance, credit. If it's not for you, it's not for you. I'm only marketing to the people that needs the help, that wants the help, that needs it. So, I know I got off a little off track, but I'm sorry. But I just needed to get that out. I'm sorry. But yeah, I'm just tired of seeing the GoFundMe's and we need help, you know, and we need to help pay for expenses. You can get help. Start early. Protect your family. Income protection. Mortgage protection. If you are an individual and you are worrying about how your house or what your family is going to go through after your passing, guess what? You can protect them. There's ways to protect them financially. You have to make that decision. There's nothing wrong with getting protection for your family if something goes wrong. I have a child. I have a 7-year-old son. And if I don't have anything, it makes me selfish. I have to lead by example. I mean, you have a lot of people that don't practice what they preach. But anybody that knows me, I'm very transparent. I've always been upfront. I never change. I'm the same person, goofy person that you always seen. But when it's time to get serious, it's serious. And I don't know what else to tell you. I mean, but I'm here to help you, whether it's with your credit or with your life insurance, or with your life, or helping your family protect their expenses or your expenses, whatever the case may be. That's what I'm here for. I'm always been here to help. I mean, I feel like my accident back in 2019 wasn't an accident. I feel like that everything happens for a reason. You know, that car accident that I had back in 2019, it retired me from trucking. Like, I used to drive 18-wheelers 12 years of my life. I loved it, but at one point I started losing myself. God noticed that I wasn't happy with where I am. He noticed that I wanted to serve a purpose. I didn't know what my purpose was. That accident, I'm not gonna lie, it changed my life completely. I went through a little depression for a little bit. Nobody never noticed it because I'm always putting on a smile. But it really did change me, because I really didn't know what my purpose was. And once I was able to find my purpose, and I was able to meet some good people, a good team. Shout out to Team Rock with Residential Movement Real Estate Group. They believed in me. They trusted me, and they took a chance on me. And they saw that I was capable of helping people. And not just only them, but a few other affiliate partners that I have, that I work with on a regular basis. I mean, I appreciate all the potential that everyone that has given me, because not everybody will give you chances. And this is my time to give back and help people, serve. I mean, I don't know what else to do. I mean, to tell you. I know this video is long. It's very long. I'm sorry. But if you got this far, I want to say thank you. Because obviously there was something that I said that hit a nerve, or it's something that you needed to hear. So again, if you have any questions, any concerns, or if you want to talk, or if you want to know more information about anything that I said or whatever, give me a call, 904-339-8051, or you can book your appointment at justiceleagueofcredit.com. And again, don't wait so long. Stop procrastinating, because sometimes the longer you procrastinate, it may be too late. So just take my advice. You can use it, don't use it, but again, I'm only here to help. So I appreciate y'all for listening to this video and watching me ramble. Please like, share, subscribe, and it'll mean a lot to me, period, if you share this information. So thank you again, y'all, and y'all been great. Thank you.